So, good morning. This is day 3 of our amazing Tanzania safari. So this morning we're going to walk out into the local village called Mloka, and we're going to see how the local people live and work. We're going to visit one of the local schools and also one of the markets, and we're going to check out some of the pubs. Could be quite interesting.
We have a music here, so you can share to celebrate Singeri, Taarab, Bongo Flava, everything we can play here. We have beautiful ladies here.
Yes.
We can dance with
sing.
them. Yes.
Yes.
So we can sit, we have our drinks here and enjoy life from pub.
Okay, thanks.
They have a basic to go in the secondary school. The system of education in Tanzania we have here, for primary school, all subject is taught in Swahili, except English. And in the secondary school, all subject is taught in English except Swahili subject. So there is a big hole to know English subject, because when you go in secondary school, many subject is taught in English. So you have to get a basic from here. Yeah. Even here we have one secondary. From here to there, 3 programs. In English, but it's government secondary school.
Kilimanjaro premium lager in front of the Rufiji River. So here we are at the Salu Kinga Lodge. Do that again. Actually quite a small area. A lot of the lodges are kind of spaced out in this kind of area, so they're not kind of together in like one block. They're all kind of dotted around, and some of them are on the river, some of them are away from the river. Sometimes you get a river view, sometimes you don't. You get like more like a garden view, but doesn't really matter too much, I don't think. This is quite good. So here you got little names of where the lodges are, so you know where you're staying, which is quite cool. Some of them, they all come in different sizes as well. So some have like 2 or 3 different rooms, different bedrooms, and some of them just have one main room, like a sort of like more like a studio type thing, and some of them have separate bedrooms. Okay, so in front of me here is the main kind of lodge area, like communal area, where the restaurant is and the kitchen and the reception area and also the bar. So this is where people will mostly come who are staying here as a sort of communal space, reception area, which I think is pretty cool. This is where the bar is. You can see where the bar area is to the left of me, and this is the main reception. So that was the restaurant area where you get your breakfast, lunch and dinner, and here is a sort of lookout area which has some nice seating, and this is open for anyone who wants to come up here to sit down in the evening or during the day or whatever time, and this is where you have a really nice view across the Rufiji River. And sometimes you can see elephants, or you might be able to see hippos and crocodiles in the distance, just by the riverside. Sometimes elephants come walking through here as well, if you're lucky to see that. Just a nice place to chill, have a few drinks after a long game drive.